Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the same part of the lesson. I think you remember the name of the lesson. The name of the lesson is Attitude is Altitude. And we have completed the story part of that lesson. We have to complete the grammatical and vocabulary part. Before that, do you remember the story about whom we were studied in that story, about whom we have learned? Yes, about Nick Vujicic. So, I think you remember the story. Yes, Nicholas James Nick Vujicic, who stands as an inspiration to others with his great qualities like faith, courageous, hard worker, and perseverance. Even though he is a disabled person, from his story, we can understand that a successful person needs determination, dedication, courage, good character, etc. Nicole's disability has not stopped him from doing what he has wanted to do. Nick Vujicic was born on 4th December 1982 in Melbourne, Australia, with a rare disability called phocomelia, characterized by the absence of all four limbs. Despite the absence of his four limbs, he plays football and golf, swims and surfs. He is an Australian Christian evangelical and motivational speaker. As a child, he struggled mentally and emotionally as well as physically. His disability gave a shock to Nick's parents that he was born without limbs. Nick has a small foot on his left hip which helps him balance and enables him to kick. He uses his one foot to type, write with a pen, and pick things up between his toes. His mother was a nurse and his father was a computer programmer and accountant. His parents did their best when they decided to send him to mainstream school despite the risk of humiliation. His mother invented him a special plastic device to enable him to hold a pen and pencil. He also plays golf with a heavy stick tucked under his chin. He is a huge fan of the English Premier League. His parents did their best to make him independent from the beginning. His father gave him the courage to learn how to swim by putting him in water at 18 months. After that, he learned football and skateboarding. Nick's father taught him how to type with his toe at just 6 years. Nick has an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carriers to help him. When he was 8 years old, he was deeply depressed and went to his mother and told her that he wanted to kill himself. He hated God for giving the structure to him. At the age of 13, he was inspired when he read a newspaper article about a disabled man who had managed to achieve great things and help others. He realized and understood that God has given him the life to give hope to others. So he decided to use his life to encourage other people and give them the courage. He believes that challenges strengthen our opinions with the help of his religion, friends, and family. Nick becomes an international symbol of triumph over adversity. Nick becomes an international symbol of triumph over adversity. Nick won the Australian Young Citizen of the Year award in 1990 for his bravery and perseverance. Nick went to Hawaii in 2008 and was trained in surfing by Bethany Hamilton, who had no arm, bitten by a shark when she was 12. Nick was on the cover of Surfer magazine with his feet of doing the 360-degree spins. He is able to do this because of his low center of gravity. Once he was in a car, a girl at traffic lights was giving him the eyes. He decided to give a 360 degrees in the car seat and made her surprise. Nick had traveled to over 24 countries speaking to the groups of up to 110,000 people. He gave a message that if I fail, I try again and again. If you fail, you are ready to try again. He is questioning that if we fail, are we ready to try again? Keep trying until you reach the goal. He keeps telling the people to keep on getting up when they fall and to always love themselves. He spreads his message of faith and hope around the world. Nick uses his story to inspire and inform people all around the world. Nick presents values, principles, attitudes, and perspectives that challenge and equip people from all walks of life to overcome their adversity. So, this was the story which we have learned in the last two sessions. Now we will move to the grammatical part. First we have glossary. Once you see them, stake board, a short narrow board with small wheels to each end which you stand on and ride as a sport. Surf, to take part in the sport of riding on waves on a surfboard. Torso, the main part of the body, not including the head, arms, or legs. Chicken drumstick, the lower part of the leg of a chicken or other bird that is cooked and eaten as food. Club, a heavy stick with one end thicker than the other. Means club means a heavy stick with one end thicker than the other. Adversity, a difficult or unpleasant situation. Perseverance, the quality of continuing to try to achieve a particular aim despite disabilities. Here next we see comprehension. Given below are some of the statements made by Nick Vujicic. I realized why God had made us like this to give hope to others. I wanted to concentrate on something good that I had. I tell people to keep on getting up when they fall and to always love themselves. If I can encourage just one person, then my job in this life is done. These words are taken from the text. We have a reference in the text. We can find these sentences in the textbook. Vocabulary. Look at the list of adjectives given below. Which of them describe Nick Vujicic? Tick or underline them. Here you can see the words. Here beside the word you have a small box. You have to tick in that box. Here what we have to do, all these words are adjectives. Here approx 27 words they have given us. These are adjectives. So in these words we have to tick the words which describe Nick Vujicic. Okay. First one is positive. Positive means hopeful and confident. So Nick Vujicic was positive only because he is confident. No, that's why tick right mark in the box. Positive. Tick near positive. Second one is negative. Negative means harmful or unpleasant. Nick was not like that, no? So tick wrong or leave the box. You don't tick anything. Third is Optimistic. Optimistic means believe that good things will happen in future. So, do you say Nick is optimistic? Yes, because he was believing that. So, tick right in the box. Fourth is pessimistic, means believe that worst will happen. Was Nick pessimistic? No. So, you leave the blank empty. Fifth one, generous. Was he generous? Yes, meaning of generous is in order to help people or give them pleasure. So he is generous. Tick right. Sixth is nervous. He was not nervous. So leave the blank empty. Seventh is confident, showing trust in oneself or one's ability. So he was confident. Tick right in the box. Eighth is smart. Is he smart? Meaning of smart is bright and new looking, having intelligence, etc. Yes, he was smart. So tick right in the box. Sociable. Is he sociable? Yes. Meaning of sociable is keep friendly relations with other people. So he is sociable. Tick right. Cowardly. Was he cowardly meaning person who lacks courage or lacking courage? No, that was wrong. So leave the blank empty or tick wrong. 11th is courageous, means brave. He was brave. So tick right. Reliable. Reliable means constantly good in quality or performance. He was reliable. So tick right. 13. Independent. Was he independent? Yes, he is independent. So tick right. Dependent. Was he dependent? Means needing support from others? No. So leave the blank empty. 15th is obedient. Meaning of obedient is willing to obey. Yes, he was obedient. So tick right. Trusting. Trusting means belief or willing to believe that one can rely on the goodness, strength, ability. No, so leave the blank empty. Valiant. Valiant means very brave in different situations. Yes. So 17th one is right. Tick right. 18th is self-centered. He was not self-centered. So leave the blank empty. Arrogant. 19th is arrogant. He was not arrogant. Behaving in a rude way? No. So leave the blank empty. Sarcastic. Sarcastic means bitter. He was not bitter. So leave the blank empty. Quarrel. Quarrel. Sorry. Quarrelsome. Quarrelsome means one who quarrels with people always. He was not like that. So leave the blank empty. Rude. He was not rude. So leave the blank empty. Creative. Creative. Was he creative? Yes, he was creative. So tick right in the box. Stubborn. Was he stubborn? No. So leave the blank empty. 25. Lazy. Was he lazy? No. So leave the blank empty. Pompous. Was he pompous? No. Pompous means trying to seem very important. He was not doing like that. So leave the box empty. Level headed. Meaning of level headed is able to judge. Able to judgment. Was he? Yes. So tick the right mark in the box provided for you. Now home assignment for you is pick out from the text the examples that support these attributes. Above we have 27 attributes, means we have 27 adjectives. So by using in that we have ticked the option, means we have ticked the adjectives which describe Nick, isn't it? So by using them we have to complete this table. In your text you can see this table. So here what they have given, pick out from the text the examples that support these attributes. Serial number, attribute, example from the text. So first one they have given for us, that is positive. Positive means example from the text we have to take. In spite of his disability, he has become great. It is there in your textbook. So like that we have to write total 10 attributes and their example from the text. Second one I have done for you. See, second is independent. The example from the text is he did the things independently what he had wanted to do. So remaining 8. You have to find the attribute and the example from the text and write in your text, and you have to send me, and we will continue the remaining part of the lesson in the next session. Thank you. Have a good day.